So now we are moving on to question 2 of our activity, which is calculating the roof live load. Just to know, I say use activity resources. So on this document, I give you hints to kind of help you through it, but obviously this should help you as well. So we're going to calculate our roof live load. So number 2, roof live load. And this is actually a pretty easy step. So what you're going to open up is your weights table. I will click to it here. So your weights table. And all you pretty much need to know out of this is that you have a flat roof, okay, your commercial structure. So start reading through and see where we can find roofs. So I have it on here, roofs, here we go. So here are all your roofs. Start reading through the roofs and figure out which one we are. Okay, and I gave you a hint way in the beginning what our given was. So if I read over here, all roof structure maintain workers, awnings, full fabric, all our construction. Ooh, ordinary flat pitched and curved roofs that are not occupiable. So we're going to assume no one goes on this roof. So we're going to assume that we're a flat roof. That was on your criteria. And no one's going on this roof. So you're going to have a uniform load of 20 pounds per square feet. So that's how you use that table. So I'm going to go to, it's table 1607.1. You go to number 26, roofs. We are ordinary flat roofs. And then that gives us a uniform load of 20 pounds per square foot. So pretty much what you're finding right now is the roof live load. Okay, so roof live load is pretty much only for maintenance workers to go up there to repair something and come down. So there's not a lot of movement up on a roof, right? It's pretty much stationary. You don't have a lot of live load. It's just for people kind of coming to do maintenance. So your roof live load is 20 pounds per square. Please circle that. Okay? So that's question 2.